Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to take screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So to do that, head over to your Snapchat application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account, then head over to the DM section. And in here, suppose I'm going to this DM and take a screenshot. Before taking a screenshot, just make sure you turn on the flight mode or airplane mode. And once you do it, just take a screenshot. And as you can see, the Snapchat is showing you took a screenshot of the chat and they'll know it too. But as I'm on the flight mode, all you need to do is just to uninstall your Snapchat and reinstall it again. And then you'll find that there is no you took a screenshot of the chat notification here. So yeah, this is how you can take a screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Hopefully this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.